In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and try-on of our brand new Datyime Kit. Our Datyime Kit is perfect for those of you who like to lash up but incognito. The kit includes our baby lash, our cheeky lash, and our classy lash. It also includes a full-size black liquid magnetic liner, our magnetic liner removers, and our Luxe Bag. Let's just jump into the try-on. So the first lash I'm trying on is our cheeky lash. The cheeky lash is the smallest accent lash we have, and it's a part of our OG collection. It's perfect for very small eyes and a woman that would like to go lash incognito, and maybe not everybody knows you're wearing lashes, but you know you are, and they look amazing. Up next is our baby lash. Our baby lash is simple and versatile. It's our most universal lash. It's going to fit any different eye shape. It's a perfect accent lash for everyday wear. Just add baby lash to any makeup look and it gives you a subtle but beautiful pop. Last but not least is our classy lash. The classy lash is the perfect way to supplement your own lashes for that natural look. You can wear them every day, all day, super comfortably. This is our top pick for women with smaller eyes, and they're not overwhelming but still add volume and thickness to your lashes. That is it for our Datyime Kit unboxing. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like to check out any of the products that we've talked about today, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Before you go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to our channel down below so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.